In this Portraitmaker AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI software that just hit the market. If you're on the hunt for an AI tool that can transform your portraits into stunning works of art, stick around until the end to get the full picture. You can also try this software for free from the link in the description below. Now, let's dive right into it. Portraitmaker AI is making waves in the AI world, especially for those who love creating personalized, artistic images from photos. With its latest release, it promises to be an easy-to-use tool for both professionals and casual users alike, and here's why. First, the interface is incredibly user-friendly. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Portraitmaker AI is built with simplicity in mind. The design makes it easy to upload your photos, and within a few clicks, you're ready to see the magic unfold. This is a huge plus for anyone who doesn't want to spend hours learning complicated software. The second thing that really sets this AI apart is its customization. It gives you several unique art styles to choose from, everything from classic painting styles to more modern, digital art looks. You can adjust the intensity of the effects and even tweak smaller details, ensuring that the final result is exactly what you want. If you're into creating distinctive portraits, Portraitmaker AI has you covered with this level of control. What's even better is the speed. Unlike some AI tools that can take ages to process, Portraitmaker AI is incredibly fast. You won't have to wait around for too long, and that means you can keep creating and experimenting without the frustration of long processing times. Time is money, especially in the creative world, and Portraitmaker AI doesn't waste it. One of the most impressive aspects is the AI's ability to handle different image qualities. Whether your photo is a high-res masterpiece or a quick snapshot from your phone, Portraitmaker AI adapts. This makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of the quality of their original image. However, as great as it is, there are a couple of things you should keep in mind. Portraitmaker AI can sometimes have trouble with complex backgrounds. It works best when the subject is clearly defined and free from clutter. If you want to get the most out of this tool, make sure you're using clean, high-quality images to begin with. Another thing I noticed is that while the tool excels in creating traditional style portraits, some more abstract styles may not come out as expected. The AI still needs some fine-tuning in that department, so if you're looking for a super avant-garde result, you may want to manage your expectations. Now let's talk pricing. You can actually try Portraitmaker AI for free, no strings attached. The free trial gives you a taste of the capabilities, and from there, you can decide if it's worth investing in. For those who want even more advanced features, Portraitmaker offers reasonably priced plans, making it a solid investment if you find yourself using it frequently. To sum it up, Portraitmaker AI is a solid option for anyone looking to bring an artistic flair to their photos without needing an art degree. Whether you're creating unique gifts, business portraits, or just having fun with friends, this tool offers an impressive combination of simplicity, speed, and customization. Just keep in mind that like any AI, it's not perfect in every situation, but for most users, it'll be a game changer. Before you go, I've also got some other AI tools in the description below that I highly recommend. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are my top picks for anyone looking to step up their game. Don't miss out, give them a shot for free, and thank me later.